What can you see? Is that the sun? No, it's a burning earth. And actually, this is the world we're living in. The earth is burning, and our climate is changing. In China, what are the impacts of climate change we're actually facing? We have leaking of water supply problem, and it's quite serious in China. And because of global warming, ice melting leads to many problems. For example, flooding is one of the main problems that caused by climate change, and sea level is rising too. And of course, extreme weather. There are more frequent typhoons just because of the rising temperature. Painters in China have to move northward now just because the warming weather is not suitable anymore for them to live now. Besides, more frequent dust storms appeared in Beijing, which have caused great damage to the ecosystem. This figure shows the annual temperature in Beijing from 1951 to 2005. The low and mean temperature have an obvious rising trend, and the trend of high temperature rises slightly.
This is Kurt. I'm the climate champion of Hong Kong this year.
Right here is a rural area of Hong Kong, and temperature is around 19 to 21, and the air quality is pretty good. Now let's move on to the urban areas part, and as you can see, the air is quite misty, and temperature here is around 28 to 30. And by comparing the temperature difference between the rural and the urban areas, we can see that the heat island effect affects Hong Kong seriously.
How do you feel about Hong Kong's weather?
Hazy.
Hazy. How about the visibility?
Yeah, disappointing.
Disappointing.
There are so many cars and I can't even breathe!
As you can see in figure, the annual temperature in Hong Kong keeps on rising more and more rapidly. And according to the Hong Kong Observatory, there will be no longer have any winter within 12 years. Everything on the earth is giving out warning. So what should we do? And who are going to take the lead to save our world? That is Wang Yijie from Chengdu, Kurt Chan from Hong Kong, and Ding Han from Beijing. And that is us. We are the climate champions from China.